Hi everyone, I am Aksa Zafar and welcome back to MLTube, your go-to channel for data science and artificial intelligence. I create content to help you understand machine learning and data science in the simplest way possible. So make sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to stay updated and learn more about data science and AI. Most people start learning machine learning by watching random videos. And after months, they realize they are still stuck. In this video, I will share a clear step-by-step roadmap you can follow. And I will connect each step with the YouTube channels that actually teach those skills properly. By the end, you will know exactly where to start and how to move forward without wasting time. Let's start with the foundation. Math. Without math, machine learning feels like magic tricks. But with the right resources, it becomes clear. Two YouTube channels shine here. StatQuest with Josh Starman, where even tough topics like probability and linear regression are explained like a friendly chat. And 3 Blue 1 Brown, which uses visuals to make concepts like calculus, linear algebra, and neural networks actually stick. So, if you are starting out, spend time here before touching complex code. Once you are comfortable with the basics of math, the next step is coding, especially Python. For that, Free Code Camp is unbeatable. They have got full length courses, sometimes 8 to 10 hours long, that take you from zero to building machine learning projects. If you prefer shorter, practical coding lessons, go with Sendex. Harrison not only teaches Python but also applies it directly to machine learning, natural language processing, and even finance projects. Watch his playlist and code along. After math and Python, it's time to understand the real machine learning algorithms and how they work. Two strong picks here: Stanford Online, where you get access to actual university lectures, and Andre Karpathy's channel, where he builds neural networks from scratch. Stanford will give you structured academic depth, while Karpathy shows how an expert thinks when writing machine learning code line by line. Once you have nailed the basics of machine learning, you can move into deep learning. Again, Karpathy's tutorials are gold here. His series like Microgrid and Make More are must watch. And if you like course style content, Free Code Camp has full deep learning crash courses that walk you through TensorFlow and PyTorch. This mix will help you understand both the concepts and the coding. Learning doesn't stick until you build. For practical job oriented projects, Krish Naik is one of the best. He explains how machine learning and deep learning are used in industry and guides you through real applications. When you are ready to test your skills, follow Abhishek Thakur as a Kaggle Grandmaster. He shows how to approach competitions, clean data sets, and build strong models. Even if you don't plan to compete, his mindset is very valuable. Building models is one thing, but deploying them into production is another. For this, Krish Naik again is a great resource. He covers MLOps, deployment strategies, and the practical side of using machine learning in real companies. This is what makes your skills job ready. Machine learning and AI move fast. To stay updated, follow Yannick Kilcher. He breaks down the latest research papers in simple language so you don't get left behind. So here is how you can follow this roadmap step by step. For math, I would suggest StatQuest and 3 Blue 1 Brown. For Python, you can follow FreeCodeCamp and Sundex. For machine learning basics, Stanford and Karpathy's lectures are great. For deep learning, Karpathy and FreeCodeCamp are enough. For machine learning projects, check out Krish Naik. For Kaggle practice, you can watch Abhishek Thakur's videos. For MLOps, again, Krish Naik has good content. And for AI research updates, Yannick Kilcher explains things very well. Pick one or two channels per step, finish their playlist, and don't overload yourself. Following this order will take you from absolute basics all the way to industry level machine learning. You will find all the channel links in the description. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell to stay updated. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.